Welcome to today's episode, which is so exciting.
Hey there, have you ever felt like life is just unfair? Like no matter how hard you try, things keep going wrong and there's nothing much you can do about it. Trust me, I've ever been there. But today, I want to share with you how you can break free from victim mentality and step into your power to create a better life. Because let's face it, staying stuck is not an option. First, let's define victim mentality. It's the state of mind where you feel powerless over your circumstances, blame others for your problems, and constantly focus on what's wrong instead of what's possible. Sounds familiar? It's like living in a never ending loop of why me. But here's the thing, the question won't help you move forward. It keeps you stuck in a cycle of negativity. Here are some of the signs of victim mentality. 1. Blaming others or circumstances to feeling like nothing will ever improve. And number 3, believing you're destined to fail. Here's the truth about victim mentality. Life isn't fair. Challenges will come and some of them won't be your fault. But the longer we stay in a victim mindset, the more we give away our power. I know this is hard to hear, but the world is not going to rescue us. We have to decide to take control of our lives even if the odds feel stacked against us. I'll briefly give my story about victim mentality. For years, I had allowed circumstances to define me. Growing up, my family struggled financially. I worked so hard in school, but I felt no matter what I did, I couldn't catch a break. I blamed the world for it. It wasn't until I asked myself, what am I going to do about it, that things began to shift. That question made me realize even if I couldn't change the past, I could still shape my future. Alright, let's talk about how you can break free from victim mentality. Here are 5 powerful steps that worked for me. Number 1, stop blaming and start reflecting. When something goes wrong, instead of asking, who's at fault? Ask, what can I learn from this? Taking responsibility is liberating. Number 2, flip the script. Replace thoughts like, why me with, what can this teach me? Shifting your mindset can open doors you didn't know existed. Number 3, focus on what you can control. You might not control everything, but there is always something you can influence. Your attitude, your habits, your next step. Number 4, surround yourself with empowerment. Distance yourself from negativity and surround yourself with people, books, and content that inspire growth and action. Last but not the least, take action immediately. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, but start now. Each step you take is a step towards freedom. Next, I'd like to talk about the power of choice. Here's the most important thing to remember. You have a choice. You might not have chosen your challenges, but you can choose how you respond to them. Every day, you get to decide whether you'll stay stuck or move forward. If you're ready to break free from victim mentality, take one small step today. Maybe it's journaling about what you're grateful for. Maybe it's reaching out to someone who inspires you. Whatever it is, know that you're capable of much more than you think. Comment below. Let me know. What's one thing that you're taking responsibility for today? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs this message.